Hi everyone. The goal of the CF support team is to build a strong relationship of trust with the youth and children and the leaders across our churches. And I believe a good way of doing that is to get them involved with all our national youth and children events. So in that way, we can bring together Christ to our kids. So now I'm going to show you a very short clip that summarizes some of the CF Youth and Children national events that I prepared together with some of our churches. I hope you enjoy. Welcome everyone to the Light Party. Everyone, happy Easter and welcome to our Easter party. Yay!
I'm Ruben. I'm Freddie.
And I'm Daddy.
And this is The Egg Show!
Woohoo!